Hello, this is Registry Blocks. Fraud is exponentially growing every day. Every year, billions of dollars are lost on insurance fraud. Insurance claims are often overinflated. This is the main reason for ever-increasing insurance rates. Document and signature forgery is an increasing problem. Degrees are faked and business contracts are tampered with for illegal personal gain at the expense of others. Traditional online auctions are not safe. 1 in 10 people fall victim to online fraud. Online marketplace scams are one of the fastest growing internet crimes, with approximately 70% of the total reported internet frauds. Registry Blocks reduces fraud by registering items and documents with blockchain technology. Our innovative UniqueID attaches items and documents to owners. This enables ownership verification, product authentication, stolen goods registration, and proof of existence. This results in 3 fraud-preventing Registry Blocks solutions. Insurance, suppressing insurance fraud to reduce costs and policy rates. Notary, document fraud protection to ensure trustworthy files. Marketplace, product authentication to fight scammers and ensure security. By mass adoption, these solutions generate an enormous amount of commercially marketable information. Why invest? We introduced the Registry Blocks REG token as the currency to access all of our services. With a unique reward structure, we share revenue with REG token holders. Get whitelisted for our ICO to benefit from great discounts. Become an affiliate and earn 5% of your referrals revenue in Ethereum. Registry Blocks ICO launches on June the 1st.